Okay, boys, back at you at Trailer Park Customs. Today we are going to be working on the old lady's car. Finally, it's nice enough out for me to go ahead and I'm going to switch out the tie rods and change the stud and some other shit to it. Make sure everything's tip top on it. But I'm still battling this idle surge on my Honda. I recently realized that when I pump my brakes, the idle surge speedens up. Oh shit, look at this dick. Oh my god. Look at this dick. Holy fuck. Trailer Park Customs. But anyways, so I'm kind of baffled of what the issue is here. Yeah. I don't know if anybody has any idea. I'm open for suggestions. You guys have known what I've done if you've watched my videos, so yeah, I would like to hear somebody's input that may have a little bit more knowledge than me. Yep. Also, thing I've noticed about this car is, hold on, let's see if I can get the shot. You guys, look at this. Oh man, hold on. Yeah, can you saunt it? Look at that exhaust. Holy fuck. What an idiot. And the guy I got this car from said he worked at a welding shop. Not quite sure I believe that. I don't know, boys. What do you think? Anyways, we're gonna wait for the old lady to get back, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start digging into that. Fucking stereo dicked on me. What the fuck? Button stereos don't work no more. Oh, this is OCER. Fucking Jesus. I just put this bitch in. And I got it from Tyler. He didn't know if it worked or not. But it worked for a minute. But I'm wondering if something's hooked up wrong. Possibly. I did it. So, yeah. That's shitty. We're back at Trailer Park Customs today, boys. As you can see, we are going to swap out this tie rod. As you can see, yeah, it's not the best shape. So, that's what we're going to be doing today, boys. This dick, my tools are starting to rust. I think I'll just try these since I don't have the right size on me at this most current point in time. See, it really sucks not having a shop to work out of, boys. So, These are very full. Okay. Oh, that's the old camera. Yeah, see, sorry guys. They want to fuck you up. Jesus. And what we'll do is get her as close as we can. Shit, fire, boy. Had to choose, boys. So right where we need to be. Different size, huh? Right. I didn't have the right size wrench. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know about this one, boys. Grab the whole wrench again. Fuck, man. It's pretty tight. Before I throw this back together, I will be getting a wrench to tighten that. But anyways, boys, as you can see, tie rod's in. No more sloppy slop. That's what we wanted. Another day here at Trailer Park Custom, boys. I told you we'd get something done around this place finally. But like I said, I will be retightening this with a wrench. I just don't have that size on hand right now. But I will be going to grab that ASAP because that's crucial. But also I have a broken stud on this side. I will be attacking this very soon. But so far everything seems good on it. I mean, it's all tight. I mean, yeah, this old one was blown out. As you can see, non-greasable. Oh well, done now. Well, let me know what you think, boys. I appreciate the likes, comments, views, anything you guys do. Subscribe, please, and thank you. We'll be back. Okay, boys, taking the old lady's car for a test drive. Got everything tightened up. I'm trying to see how the wheel wants to act. So far, I mean, it already seems better. Who knows though, because if you can see the fucking roads we're driving on, they're fucking poop dick. Jesus. But we're gonna get on some smooth roads and see how she's acting. So far I don't hear it clunking like I would before. Yeah, it's pretty much gone. So that, like I said, that tie rod was blown the fuck out, as I'm sure you guys seen. But yeah, we're taking her for a spin right now. Get on a faster road and really see how she's gonna act. Oh fuck, that's fucking beautiful, boys. Holy shit. Holy fuck. It's like you don't have to fight the fucking wheel anymore. How fucking weird. No weird how that works? Shit. Oh, the old lady's gonna be happy. Yeah. Yeah. Old lady's gonna be tickled pink. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's just gonna be tickled. Tickled pink. Okay boys, we're almost back to Trailer Park Customs. Just took the old lady's car on a little spin. Fucking, it drives so much better. And obviously I didn't align it. As you can tell, we're gonna go take it and have that done Monday. But I mean, for compared to what it was, I mean, it's just night and day. I replaced the other side about a week ago. So, I mean, she hasn't really drove much. She works super close, so I didn't see no harm. And right now, everything seems to be good. So, we'll get her aligned and she'll be back to normal. Also, something else I was going to tell you guys about with old Hondi. This weekend, we're going to be also swapping new tires onto the Honda. We have a trip Monday, me and Tyler. We're headed to Lansing, so that's something. I want to make sure I have good tires on my car before we go, obviously, because the tires that are on it now are shot. But I'll be doing a video of that. I should be getting to that later today. But again, guys, thanks.